Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Sana Nilgiriwala from Gemini Properties and I am right now standing at the entrance of a beautiful apartment in Marigold Society, Kalyani Nagar. Let's start the tour of this beautiful 4.5 bedroom apartment. We are right now at the entrance lobby. Here you can see the door of this 4.5 bedroom apartment. This is the servant room that I will be showing you all later on. You walk into the spacious living room where there is a huge window and a big area for your TV setup with lots of buttons and connections. There is an AC over here and you can see right into the balcony. From the living room you walk into the dining room that is huge. It is well ventilated, open from both sides. That means good air, good sunlight, and connecting to the dining room is the kitchen. That is also well furnished with a lot of cabinets. You have 4 gas stations over here with a chimney. You have a small geyser with a water purifier. As you can see, a fully functional kitchen with a pipe gas. There is a space for a washing machine and a lot of connections in the kitchen for whatever electronics you will need. And from here you walk into the servant room that has a bathroom, as you can see. Very well lit apartment. This servant area has its own entrance to the apartment. This is where we first entered from. So you come back right to the entrance of the apartment. The kitchen has a door so that your servant has only access to the kitchen. You can also convert the servant room into whatever else you want. The layout is very convenient. This is the first master bedroom that we are entering. As soon as you enter the master bedroom, there is a huge wardrobe right in front of your eyes with a lot of space, drawers, and a huge window right next to it for a lot of sunlight. We are on a higher floor, so this makes it much more nicely ventilated. You can see the wardrobes over here are very nicely built with a lot of space and another huge window over here for good cross ventilation. And a nice window AC over here. As you can see around the room, the plug points are very well placed, so you can charge your phone right at your bedside. Wherever you want to keep your bed, everywhere the plug points are conveniently located. There is a curtain rod right at the entrance so that you have your own privacy for your dressing, and a very tastefully done up washroom. From the first bedroom, the master bedroom, you enter the second bedroom. So this second bedroom is the child's bedroom. Similar wardrobes as your master bedroom for your child's bedroom with a lot of space in the room, as you can see around, so that you can place a lot of other furniture that they need. There is an AC, there is a fan, there are a lot of light fittings in the house, and another huge window for proper cross ventilation, conveniently located plug points. And then you walk into the washroom. The light fittings for the washroom are over here. Again, a separate space for your shower area so that your dry area does not become wet. So from the 2 rooms on this side to the 2 rooms on the other side of the apartment, we have to walk there so that there is enough privacy for both the sides of the apartment. This is the lobby for the other 2 rooms. While you're on the way to the other 2 rooms, there is a huge balcony over here. When you step into the balcony, a lot of cool breeze, a lot of lighting, a lot of nice potted plants, good fittings, convenient so that you can sit, place whatever you want over here. A net for the pigeons to not fly into your apartment. As you can see, above your head there are a lot of small fittings that remind you of nature. There are fans, there are small lights that look very pretty in the evening. You can look into your apartment from the balcony and then you can walk into the other 2 bedrooms. So this is the 3rd bedroom that we are walking into. Again, a spacious room. You can convert this into a study. You can convert this into a guest bedroom. There is also a window AC over here, one huge window. Not 2 as compared to the other rooms, but this one's huge, so there's going to be no inconvenience. And then a washroom. A similar style of washroom with the shower space separate. There's a divider in the middle so that the water doesn't flow through the other side. And from here we are going to the 4th bedroom. So when you walk into this 4th bedroom, again you can see a huge window. You first walk into the washroom that has a similar layout with a huge shower area. a nice divided space so that your dry area doesn't get wet. From the washroom you come into the room where you have light fittings, the fan, the AC, curtain rods, a huge window, 2 storage spaces. So the tour of this apartment ends here. Let me give you a few more details of this property. So we are done with the tour of this apartment. As you all saw, this beautiful apartment is approximately 3,000 square feet. It is available for a rent of rupees 95,000. We are at a higher floor right now, and it's approximately 2 o'clock at noon, and as you all can see, it is still beautiful, calm. There is no harsh sunlight in this apartment, but still well lit. Where I'm sitting right now is the highlight of this apartment. It is a beautiful balcony with a very calm view. As you can see, there is no restriction to the view except the net. That is not much of a disturbance. This is for the pigeons so that they don't come in, they don't disturb you. Let me tell you a little bit about the proximity. You are in close proximity to Bishop School, to a lot of IT parks. As I said, you are in close proximity to Goldad Labs and Kalyani Veg, a lot of vegetable vendors, a lot of marketplaces around Kalyani Nagar. You are about 10 minutes away from the airport, and you are also about 15 minutes away from the railway station. So we are ideally located, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Nadir Nilgiri Wala. And if you like the apartment, contact on the number given below. Thank you.